Hi friends, welcome to Technical Vijay channel. Today in this video, I wanted to show how to add watermark in a Microsoft Word page. So for that, we'll create one Microsoft Word document by right clicking on a desktop and go for new and Microsoft Word document. Here I will name it as a watermark. Okay. So here watermark, I will double click on this one. So this is the Microsoft Word page, that is margin level as narrow one. You can go for design tab. Okay. Go for the design tab. In the right corner there is a option called watermark. So there are so many options already available here, that is confidential in this way, that is slanted and horizontal and slanted, and this is horizontal. So if you click on confidential, it will automatically comes like this. Okay, this is watermark. So this is a predefined already. If you want to select other one, you can select like this, or if you want to select horizontal one, like this. Suppose if you want custom watermark, so click on this custom watermark, text watermark, that is what you wanted to make as a watermark. For example, I will write Technical Vijay. So Technical Vijay. This is a font also we can able to select, that is Calibri, or I will select that is Impact. Okay, size automatically, or you can able to select also. And here this is horizontal or diagonal, that you can select. I will select here diagonal. Okay, so this is semi-transparent, and here color you can choose here. Yellow is not visible, so go for white or something else. And here go for 48, and this is okay. Or otherwise you can go for this one custom watermark, and here size is 54, go for bigger size, so 105, and horizontal, this is you can select it for green or something else. Okay, so like this. So this is watermark. Okay, and this transparency also you can select there. Here also you can select transparency. Here semi-transparent. If you uncheck that one, it will comes like this. So here go for custom or semi-transparent. Okay, this color of course we have selected green. Okay, like this. In this way we can create watermark. If you want to remove this watermark, so go for again watermark and remove the watermark. So it will be removed. Here for this one, go to design tab and again watermark, and here custom watermark we have to go. So we have selected this one. Now we will go for this picture watermark also. For this, select a picture, and you can, if you are having any pictures on this one on your hard drive, then you can select that one. That is, for example, I will select one of the picture like this. Okay, one picture I will select. So Buddha picture I will select. Okay, so okay. So after this, you see the watermark has been placed here. Or to enlarge this one, you can go for again watermark and custom watermark, and here automatic fill out. Here you can select as 150%. So like this will cover like this. And if you go for custom watermark, again if you select for 500%, then it will cover whole page. Okay, in this way you can select. This is also watermark. This is a picture watermark. Previous one what we have created is a text watermark. In this way we can create any watermarks for letter pads and for any other official communications. So this will be very much helpful. Friends, hope you like this video, and kindly subscribe to this channel for getting more technical information like this, and press the bell icon and enable for all the notifications. Thank you.